YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy Roxy. Chilling in the car today. Today we're actually gonna be doing a reaction. Got the laptop right here. We're gonna be reacting to this video of this Charger Hellcat evading the cops. So it's gonna be a banger vid, bro. Shout out to the channel, you know, that I was able to get this from. Before this video gets started, make sure you're hitting that like button. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Make sure to drop a comment on what you guys want to see next. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so just a normal little traffic stop. He pulled over initially, which is you know, what you're supposed to do. Let's see. Here we go. He's about to just pull off. He's not even gonna wait. It's my first time watching this too. Yeah. All right, let the games begin, bro. I'm gonna pause right here. So, honestly, if you have a Hellcat, you have like a pretty good chance of getting away once you hit a highway, bro. Because it's, I mean, you can't obviously outrun a radio, but you can evade. If it's just one cop on you, you can probably get away. So we're gonna see what this guy does. This is my first time watching this, so let's see if this guy knows what he's doing. Very focused. There we go. It's a cut for us. Dang, you can still see him. Like I just said earlier, like if you hit the highway, you're pretty much good. But no, this cop is staying with him. I'm gonna pause right here too. I just want to go ahead and say something because everyone always talks trash. Oh, 5.7s are slow. Oh, this or that. Guys, y'all do realize this cop car is a 5.7. It has a little bit more done to it, obviously, but it's keeping up with a cat. Like, not saying that every 5.7 off the lot is gonna keep up with a Hellcat, but like, give us our respect, bro. Give us our respect, okay?
Right on Marketplace.
Okay, that's a nice little maneuver. See what he decides to do. He's not a step. Oh, he's spinning a little bit. Y'all saw that? Thank you. All right, here we go. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. I'm hoping, or not hoping. You know, we'll see what happens. Obviously, this guy shouldn't be running to begin with, you know, but we're here, so we're just watching and reviewing. But once they call in for backup, once the whole department's on you, like you have your locals police and then like your state police. Once the state police comes, bro, you're pretty much done at that point. It's a lot of driving, not really doing much right now. But like I said, he does have 2 cops on him, so I'm assuming there's more. You know, they're probably up the road or something like that, just waiting to either hit him with the pit or something. Oh, what's going on? Dang. No. Bro. That's so dangerous too, doing that at like high speeds. Oh man. Yeah, you're done, buddy. That was a really good throw though by the officer that threw those spike strips. Give him like 5 more miles. You can't go anywhere on flat tires, man. It's unfortunate. Yeah, see, he's slowing down and everything. Pulling his house, just letting him know he's pulling over now. It's a little too late for that. It's a little too late for that, man. Oh, man. No, shout out to this guy though, you know what I'm saying? He got out, he wasn't like really going ballistic or anything like that. I mean, there's not much to do in that situation, like you already caught. I wonder why he ran. That's kind of what I always think about, like, obviously, like, you know, the whole thing of having a fast car, you like joke around, I guess, like, oh, I'll run away, but like, if you don't have a reason to run, guys, don't run. Doesn't make sense. Or just don't run in general. Like, you don't want to get, pause the video. You don't ever want to commit 2 crimes at the same time. Okay? So like, for example, if you happen to be driving with something bad on you, don't do another crime at the same time, you know? So like with this guy, if he would have got pulled over, let's say he had something on him, or let's say like he was driving with a suspended license. Like a suspended license, for example, that's little. Worst thing that's gonna happen is the car's gonna get towed, right? If they don't let you call someone to come pick it up. Now he just went through this whole fiasco. He's gonna get like reckless driving charges, trying to evade the cop charges. It's just a lot of extra stuff.
You're good, bro?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for stopping, okay?
All right.
Shout out to the cop though for being nice to him.
Or anything?
Yeah, this is a good cop. It's a good cop. Okay, let's see this. The suspect was charged with DUI. Driving failure to maintain lives for all lives. Guys, what did I just say? This guy literally went through all of this stuff for one thing, which is just the driving while the license was suspended or revoked. He went from one charge. That's not even a big deal. Like, that's nothing. Suspended license, cool, whoop-de-whoop. You went from that and escalated all the way up to here. Oh, and he had his like DUI too. So driving under the, yeah, that's not good either. But those are 2 charges that you would have had bumped up to all of this stuff. So gotta be smart when it comes to these things, guys. But no, man, that was interesting. That was like I said, I didn't see that yet. That was my first time watching it. I was really thinking that the guy was gonna get away, but yeah, it just goes to show you, if you have a Hellcat, bro, you don't know what you're doing, don't know, you know. I mean, he was doing good. It was really the spike strips that got him. So shout out to the guy and the cops, you know, for having a calm situation after like a stressful event like that. I know, like, once you're sort of in that predicament, like, emotions take over typically. So, you know, I feel like everyone handled it well. Someone's calling. I'm filming video, bro. But I think that's gonna go ahead, guys, and wrap up this video. Just a nice little sweet reaction video. It's my first reaction video. So without further ado, guys, I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Make sure to drop a like on this video, comment what you want to see next. So we appreciate all the support. And shout out to y'all on that last video, bro. We broke 70 likes on a video. That's crazy. So we're gonna keep going up from here. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.